Hi everyone, in this video we going to discuss about bioinorganic chemistry, mainly chlorophyll, photosystem 1 and photosystem 2. First of all, let us discuss about what is photosynthesis. It is a natural light driven process in which carbon dioxide combined with H2O, which is present in plants, to form carbohydrates with the evolution of oxygen. This is occurs in the presence of light energy, so it is a light driven process. Site of photosynthesis is chloroplast. Chloroplast is located in stem and leaves of plants. Contains a pigment called chlorophyll, which is green in color. Chlorophyll is a fat-soluble and lipid-soluble found in thylakoid membrane. It is responsible for photosynthesis. Absorb the light at the particular wavelength. It has extended conjugation in system. Chlorophyll absorbs the light in the red region, that is 600 to 700 nanometer of the visible region. So we see the complementary color green color. So the plants are green in color. Absorption is due to the pi electrons in the system. Now let us check the structure of chlorophyll. In this structure of chlorophyll, Mg2 plus is the central metal ion. It contains a macrocyclic ligand, that is porphyrin ring, that is aromatic in nature. There are two types of chlorophyll, that is chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. In chlorophyll A, this R group is CH3 group, and chlorophyll B, this R group is CHO group. Photosynthesis has two main phases, that is PS1, photosystem 1 and photosystem 2. In PS1, conversion of carbon dioxide to carbohydrate is occurs, and which is driven by NADPH and ATP. This is ferredoxin type, and the reaction center is P700. In PS2, water molecule split by Mn4CaO5, and this is phenophytin quinone type. Reaction center is P680. Photosynthesis has two main parts, that is light reaction and dark reaction. Let us see what is light reaction. Light reaction in light reaction absorbs energy from sunlight, include the formation of high energy intermediate ATP and NADPH for water splitting and oxygen formation occur in grana and chloroplast. And second one is dark reaction. What is dark reaction? In dark reaction, do not need the light, which involves the utilization of energy ATP and NADPH to fix carbon dioxide to carbohydrates, take place in stroma of chloroplast. Now consider the overall reaction of photosynthesis, that is involving photosystem 1 and photosystem 2. First of all, tetranuclear manganese complex undergo series redox reaction. It converts the oxidation number +2 to +4 to use it to split the water molecule. Water molecule split to H plus and O2, that is a proton and molecular oxygen. This energy is transferred to photosystem 2, and proton 680 absorbs light energy and get excited to form P680 excited species, and transfers energy to phenophytin molecule, and it transfers electron to plastoquinone, and it transfer electron to cytochrome B6F complex. This is a very important electron transfer reagent. It is very important complex. This is a electron transfer reagent, and this transfer energy into electron to iron sulfur protein. This is called Riskey's protein. This Riskey's protein transfers electron to plastocyanin. This is called blue copper protein. In this, copper changes the oxidation state +2 to +1, and then transfer energy to photosystem 1, and proton 700 absorbs light energy and get excited to PS 700 star excited species, and transfer electron to phytoquinone vitamin K, then transfer energy to ferredoxin iron sulfur protein. Then ferredoxin NADPH oxidoreductase. This is an enzyme which transfer NADP plus to NADPH, and this energy used to convert carbon dioxide to C6H12O6, that is carbohydrate. This is the overall reaction of photosynthesis that involving PS1 and PS2. In this reaction we can see that first reaction occur in PS2, then in PS1. The name is based on the discovery of the photosystems. And what are the major differences between PS1 and PS2? In PS1, P700 is the reaction center. PS2, P680 is the reaction center. PS1 is discovered first and PS2 is discovered second. Acts second in right reaction, PS1, and PS2 act first in late reaction. Location of non-appressed region of thylakoid, and PS2 location appressed region of thylakoid. PS1 present in the stroma lamellae, PS2 absent in the stroma lamellae. PS1 splitting of H2O by a manganese complex, oxidation of water. PS2 reduction of carbon dioxide. PS1 is strong reductant and PS2 is strong oxidant. In PS1 no ATP formation. PS2 2 moles of ATP are formed. In PS2 the reaction center has an absorption maxima at 700 nanometer and hence called P700. In PS2 the reaction center has absorption maxima at 680 nanometer and hence called 680. This is all about my topic chlorophyll and photosystem 1 and photosystem 2.